Good morning, Adventure Hooligans. ADV Gourmet here, and I have just completed my first camp night on the Mid-Atlantic BDR. Gotta say, I was worn out last night when I came into camp. Really wasn't feeling it, but after a good night's sleep, I'm feeling so much better and relaxed. So let me show you a little bit of my camp. I had an awesome firefly show last night in the woods. Pretty much once I turned my light off in my tent, the woods essentially just lit up with yellow streaks of fireflies. It was so awesome, and they sort of encompassed the tent. I tried to take some pictures, but not really able to. That's something that you got to witness firsthand. So you want another reason to get out on the trails? Come see the firefly show. But anyhow, got my coffee going. Yep, coffee's ready to roll. Go ahead and take that off. Let that sit there for a minute and steep. Oh yeah. I love my Fancy Feast stove. You guys love them jet boils? Shoot. You give me a can of cat food and a can of tomato paste, I'll make me a stove any day. But wanted to show you guys pretty much the Timmy trap, aka stream, that I camped next to last night. Make sure there's no snakes down here, you know what I'm saying? But this is the sound of nature that I was able to enjoy last night at my camp. It was so peaceful, so peaceful. So I'm gonna give you guys just a few minutes to enjoy this peace and quiet. It's not really quiet, it's the stream running, but it's peace and quiet to me. And until we get on the bike, I'll see you guys out on the trails. Peace. Good morning, ADV Hooligans. This is ADV Gourmet coming at ya from deep in the heart of the, I guess, Jefferson National Forest. And we are on the Mid-Atlantic BDR today. I am in Virginia, just about 20 miles past Covington. And we are on our way for the second day. Stage 3, it's 191 miles. I'm 20 miles in, so I have 170 to go. This was my campsite last night. I think I showed you guys already, but this is how it is. This is all the trash that people leave. And like I said in my YouTube short, all right, this is the challenge. It's the ADV Gourmet challenge for all of you guys out there. All right, when you're at a campsite, I want you to have extra bags on your bike so that you can help me clean this stuff up and drop it off at the nearest trash can. Make a difference, because it does matter. time off. Skies are looking ominous today. Ooh, we might get a little rain. So it's going to be a true adventure. I'll see you guys out on the trails. Peace. Alright, adventure hooligans. I have recharged the bike, recharged myself. We have 140 miles to go. I think we're going to day 2. Let's see. Moorfield, West Virginia. 192 miles. And we'll go back. And we have 149 to go. I guess Brandywine General Store is 85 miles. And there's a resort 133 miles away. We are at, that's right, okay, so 1725 is our altitude. Our bearing is 63. We've got 1,590 miles to travel total. I've already traveled a good bit of those. But I want to show you guys. First off, the bike's looking good. Good and dirty. Yeah. But look over here. Old school telephone post. I guess we're in Bath County, Virginia. Check it out. And they say it actually works. Hello? No one's there. But very cool. Haven't seen one of those since I was a kid. Probably a lot of you have never seen one. Alright, well, next I'm waiting to see Superman. And if y'all know what that means, comment below. Until we hit the trails. Peace. Alright, adventure hooligans, we got some fast flowing water here. Looks like this is the route right here. This is it right here. Shut off my bike on. This is it right here. This is the line. Through here. Alright, please be with me. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Woo! Yes, yes, yes! Ooh, peace out, baby, I did it! Nervous as fuck! But the only reason I'm nervous is because I'm by myself. Yes! Oh, fuck. Let's do it. Hammer the shit out of it, baby! Woo! That's what we do it. ADD Gourmet, serves it up fresh and hot with a side. That was awesome. I am so technical. I mean, I got water in my face. I hammered it. Alright, Adventure Hooligans. These were the 3 water crossings those guys were warning me about. And this particular one is the one they said was too hot for them to go and do. Said a prayer to my Lord Jesus Christ. All faith lies with him. I'm going to hammer this and we're going to get through it. Everything's secure, double secured. Everything's dry. This is going to be my most challenging feat of the day yet. Lord, please be with me. Please don't let me. Alright, boys and girls, there's no time like the present. Deep here. I can't even get over there. It's too deep. I'm gonna hit right there. I'm gonna go in and then go to the bank. Just hammer. Lord be with me. The Lord was with me, and that was awesome! Woo, woo, woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! That was awesome! Whoa! That was awesome. All things, and I mean great or small, to be achieved with the faith of the Lord Jesus